This data report provides an analysis and evaluation of the raw data file that contains sales records from 2007, 2012, and 2013. Complete sales records for 2007 and 2013 were not available in the raw data file. Therefore, I analyzed and compared the existing data that was available. The methods used in the analysis include total sales performance, sales trends and patterns, and product demand and results. Under our findings, we found the total sales increased with every year that was recorded, even though data was missing. The analysis outlined the top customers, products, and regions of sales for each year. Because of the missing months in 2007 and 2013's records, data from the available months were compared and analyzed to reveal trends of sales. Total product demand increased from year to year, although there was a noticeable decline from May through June in each year. Also, the sales of seafood seem to have the greatest change in the month of December. Average unit prices steadily increased from 2012 to 2013. Conclusions: the massive increase in sales in 2013 was a result of the increase in unit prices for most of the products that were sold. For example, the average unit price for meat/poultry went from $34.60 in 2012 to $50 in 2013. The data also revealed that overall product demand had decreased from May to June in both 2012 and 2013. This seems to have been caused by the increase in unit prices. Dairy products and grain/cereal both had a significant increase in unit prices, thus causing the sharp drop in demand over May and June. An interesting note in regards to the top 10 regions and the top 10 customers is that the most consistent customers are Save-A-Lot, Quick Stop, and Ernst Handel. If you look at the top 10 regions from 2012 and 2013, which are the most recent years, USA and Germany are in the top two. Quick Stop and Save-A-Lot markets are both USA companies, while Ernst Handel is a German company. I can conclude that the overall sales have increased from year to year based on the data that was presented. Quick Stop, Ernst Handel, and Save-A-Lot markets have remained the top customers over the last 2 years, and sales continue to rise, especially in the USA, Germany, and Austria. The analysis also revealed the fact that the total sales in 2013 were greater than in 2012, and the data from 2013 is missing 3 months of records. In the next slides, I will conduct a more in-depth analysis to reveal key trends and patterns from the data. The sales data from 2012 are missing the months of January through October, and 2013 is missing October through December. As a way of obtaining the best analysis, I compared November and December from 2007 and 2012, and January through September for 2012 and 2013. This is the best way to utilize the limited data that was presented to create the most accurate results. With the limited data from 2007, I was able to compare the sales from November and December for both 2007 and 2012. One major pattern that we see in both years is the overall sales are higher in December for every product type, with condiments in 2012 being the lone exception. Another interesting trend we see here is that the sales for seafood seems to rise drastically in the month of December for both years. In the raw data file, the only available months for 2013 were January through September. In order to reveal specific trends, I compared the product type sales between the available months in 2013 to the months January through September in 2012. To summarize, sales have increased dramatically from 2012 to 2013. For example, the highest product type sold in 2012 was seafood at over 90 units. The highest sales for seafood in 2013 was right under 1,400 units. As far as trends/patterns go, we can see that from February through May of both years, product demands have had the most steady increase. The charts also reveal that product demands tend to fall from May through June. Analyzing the average unit prices of each product type reveals just how much the prices have increased over the course of 5 years. The most obvious trend displayed in the graph is that the average price for meat/poultry remains the highest of all products. Another noticeable trend is that every product type has raised about $10 from 5 years prior. Meat/poultry has increased by about $20. Comparing the available months of 2012 and 2013 probably reveals the most accurate and recent results. The first pattern that is noticeable is that meat/poultry remains the highest unit price product. However, in 2012, the unit price for beverages averaged out at around $34, almost as much as meat/poultry. The price dropped down to $30 the following year. Every other product type had a steady increase in average unit price in 2013. I can conclude that the steady increase in unit prices from 2012 to 2013 led to the large increase in overall product demand in 2013. In conclusion, the top sales for the most recent years reveals that the companies from the USA, Germany, and Austria are consistently our top customers. In 2014, I propose an increase in advertising specifically in these regions. Aside from sales summaries, the most important analysis is the key trends that were discovered. The increase in unit prices for the products made a significant improvement in sales. However, certain periods of the year saw the demand for every product decline from May through June. Based on the data, the best course of action is to lower unit prices on the products that suffered the largest decline in demand, such as dairy or grain/cereal products. On the contrary, the increase in unit prices increased demand for meat/poultry, which has the highest average unit price. In order to maintain the increase in sales from year to year, average unit prices have to be raised for the most profitable products. These recommendations should result in a more steady increase in demand and overall sales. As a final part of my consultation, I would advise lowering unit prices for the products that suffer the most decline in demand for the months of May and June in 2014.